ये कर्नाटक की सरकार है कांग्रेस की। 450 करोड़ रुपया साल का आप इकट्ठा करते हैं, कहां खर्च करते हैं, कौन जवाब देता है उसका? एक एक रुपए का हिसाब आपको देना चाहिए था। क्या किसी मस्जिद का पैसा आपने लिया? क्या किसी वक्फ बोर्ड का पैसा आपने लिया? लेकिन कर्नाटक में जो घोटाले हुए सर, उसमें इनके राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी का नाम भी आता है, जहां पर क्या
If it is proved, I will resign. Even if he proves a 1 acre of walk land is occupied by me or my children, I am not going to afraid of these things, sir. I am a son of laborer.
Leader of the opposition. Yes, leader of the opposition.
Thank you, sir. I am grateful to you. You have given me a chance to clarify certain remarks made in the other house in my name. Sir, I raise a deep annoyance. My life has always been an open book. It has been full of struggles and battles. But I have always upheld the highest values in public life. After almost 60 years in politics, I do not deserve this. Yesterday, completely false and baseless charges were hurled at me in the Lok Sabha by Sri Anurag Thakur. When he was challenged by my colleagues, he was compelled to withdraw his defamatory remarks. But the damage has been done. All medias have carried. Social medias are also spreading it. His statements damaging my image and reputation had already been picked up the social and other medias. Sir, Deve Gowda ji should also listen this. I think he is associating with me nearly 50 years.
Yes.
Sir, as leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha and as a president of the Indian National Congress, I am forced to stand up today and condemn Sri Anurag Thakur's wild allegations. I expect an apology from the leader of House. That is the very least the ruling party can and must do. If Sri Thakur cannot prove his allegation, he has no right be in parliament. He should resign. I seek, and if it is proved, I will resign. Even if he proves a 1 acre of walk land is occupied by me or my children, it is my challenge. If such allegations made, some papers leaving on the table and damaging us, I am not going to afraid of these things, sir. I am a son of laborer. I am a textile laborers workers union. I am also a leader of the laborers, and then I became Block Congress Committee President, and today I am AICC President. I have long way, and Deve Gowda ji was with me. I was with him. Then,
you made your point.
sir, no, it hurts me. अगर मेरे जीवन में असेंबली में कोई मुझे उंगली उठा के नहीं बोला, देवे गौड़ा जी यहाँ है। अगर एक बार कोई किसी ने बोला तो पूरा हाउस उठ के मेरे इसके लिए वो अपॉलॉजी मांगी, चीफ मिनिस्टर आके मेरे बाजू में बैठ के अपॉलॉजी मांगे। ऐसा आदमी मैं हूं और मेरे लिए अगर ये बीजेपी के लोग डरा कर मुझे झुकाना चाहते हैं, मैं कभी नहीं झुकूंगा। मैं टूट जाऊंगा लेकिन झुकूंगा नहीं, ये याद रखो। डराने से मैं डरने वाला नहीं हूं और 1 इंच भी अगर जगह मैंने अगर किसी की ली, अरे मैंने तो उस एरिया से आता हूं साहब, जिस एरिया में मुझे एक सेगमेंट में मुस्लिम के 1,20,000 वोट मुझे मिलते हैं, 1,20,000 एक ही सेगमेंट से। और मुझे ये लगा था, और वो ठाकुर को जरा आप बुद्धि बोलिए, नहीं तो हाँ, अरे अनुराग ठाकुर भाई जात नहीं, जात नहीं बोलता।
Leader of the opposition, please sir, you have made your points.
No, this is very,
I appreciate.
sir, I condemn it. So I want your protection.
Yes.
I want your protection.
Yes,
he should apologize.
I would.
On behalf of him, the leader of the house should apologize. This is my demand.
One second.